Introducing the Magento 2 Mobile Number Login extension, which enables seamless login using phone numbers. Apart from this, I would like to mention that if you need extensions for increasing the sales of your e-commerce store, then you can visit store.webkul.com and explore our number of products for every technology. We also have the user guide for the same in our blog sections, from where you can check the features and configuration and get to know the functionality of the extensions as well. Now let's move back to our video. This is our Magento 2 admin panel. Now navigate to Stores, then Configuration. From here, you can enable or disable the module. You can also configure the login settings, such as enabling login for guest sessions and selecting login through email only, phone number only, or both email and phone number. After configuring the module, click on the Save Config button. Now let's see the functionality of the module on the front end. When the user clicks on the Sign In button, they can see the login options as configured in the back end. Since we selected the option to log in using only phone number, the front end displays only the phone number input field. Here, the customer can log in by entering their phone number and password. While entering the phone number, the customer must also include the country code before the number. Now, enter the password. Then, click on the Sign In button. Here you can see that the customer has been logged in successfully. If the customer wants to change their phone number, they can do so by navigating to My Account, then clicking on Change Phone Number. From here, the customer can update their phone number. Now let's see the functionality for a new user. During registration, the user will find a phone number in dialing code field along with other details. The customer must enter their phone number along with the country code. After filling in all the details, the new user can create an account by simply clicking on Create an Account button. Here you can see that the account has been created successfully. Now, let's check the functionality of this module for a guest user. If the Enable Login for Guest User option is enabled, then when a guest user proceeds to checkout by clicking on the Proceed to Checkout button, they will be redirected to the login page. Now, if the admin wants to view customer details, such as the phone number, they can do so by navigating to Customers, then All Customers. Here, the admin can see the details along with the customer's login mobile number. And that's all about the functionality of this module. I hope you like it. If you have any queries, please contact us at support@webkul.com or raise a ticket at webkul.uvdesk.com. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned.